Bowl number 1. Bowl number 2, get the salt. If there's a tarantula in there, I'm starting to creep myself out. Scared of tarantulas? Does that feel like salt? No, it doesn't. Here's another bowl. Must be some kind of rich man's salt. It's not for me. Why? You should get lucky someday. What is this? What is it? I don't know. I don't know. You say it's worms again. I would not classify them as worms. They're prickly. They're fighting back. The worms bite you. It's a good manicure. It's like that fish manicure thing. I've had that. Look at how fat this one is. Is this a live worm? Or is it like a gummy worm? I mean, kind of. It can be. Well, it's not moving, but it could be alive. Oh yes, it's alive. Okay, bye. Find the salt, remember? This can't be salt. It's moist and soft. I'll move on. Anything else? What's wrong? I think Mikhail just went past there. Go back to your right and look for salt. Time is running out. I've tried all of them. That can't be true. I've tried 3. There's 3, right? This time it's 4, didn't I tell you? Oh, I see. You're playing tricks on me, I swear. I would never do that. I'm not a trickster. Pay some respect. Looks like you found it, though. Salt it. Let's salt the potatoes.